Okay, I may put this video out tomorrow, actually, make it more of a long form video. The lady that was asking about how do I know there's a glitch, because she says she feels that she does sometimes get a glitch. She'll say, I'll put out a video. She makes cooking videos, and she was making a thing about substitutions, or like if you don't have an egg, how much milk do you make? And she said she's done those before on measurements, and people loved it. Loved it. She got like, 2,000 views the first day. The very first day on that kind of a thing. And then she does a video all about, if you don't have a cat to cook, you can cook a puppy. Yeah, so no kitty. What do you mean? He says that there's no way a puppy could take his place. But it was all about substitutions. And that is the kind of video, especially prior to Thanksgiving, you think people, oh God, so-and-so doesn't eat eggs. Maybe I can make a small batch of this egg-free. Maybe they're allergic to eggs. Maybe I can make this vegan or vegetarian. For some, you can't make the turkey vegetarian, but maybe it's more side dish. Oh man, that person doesn't eat meat or anything. I'm going to isolate this and cook only those things that are vegetarian or vegan. It's Godzilla. I'm Godzilla. He looks like Batman, but he's really Godzilla. But anyway, so she thought, oh yeah, I've got a lot of views on this. I've gotten thousands of views on these the first day, first couple of hours. So she get 1,000 views. That's a pretty good long form video, really, at our level. If you're Mr. Beast and you get 2,000 views in 4 seconds, you're jumping out of an airplane onto the cement below. But yeah, so for people like me, if I get 1,000 views in an hour, that's okay. Yeah, cat videos, sometimes those will get 3,000 views, 2,000 views in an hour. But she got one view. I think she ended up getting. There's his sister's right here behind me. But she said, I get had 0 views. She's a climb up right there. I get 0 views. I'm drinking Panera coffee. And I think, man, there's a glitch. And so, well, how many views did you end up getting on that view? Said, I don't know. Let me go back to look. And I go, when did you put that out? She said, I put that out at the beginning of November as a kind of a public service announcement of how to do certain things to prepare your Thanksgiving dinner early. So like, what kind of things can you do before the day? The actual turkey, you might cook it on the day, but can you make a bean and a green bean and the little onion things, the fried onions? Can you make that casserole beforehand? Can you make a jiggly jello and put it in your refrigerator? Can you do this? What happens if you run out of eggs and you go, oh man, I just ran out of eggs, and the lines of the store are 30 minutes? What if I can substitute that with something else? Well, I think people use milk and flour. I can't remember. I used to know a lot of that stuff. I used to bake some, but got fat. I like to eat the stuff from baked goods, but I don't necessarily want the heat of the oven. So basically, for me, if I can't do it in the air fryer, which I can, a lot of those baked type goods, I find ways to not only modify the recipe for keto or low carb or low calorie or something to that extent. He just looked up. Yeah, it's that. So I can do some of those in the air fryer or on top of the stove. But the heat is also a factor. It gets really hot. In California right now, I think it's about 80 degrees today, and it's a couple days after Thanksgiving. But she got 0 views. So she said to me, how do I know there's a glitch? How do I know there's a glitch? And I said, well, I just kind of go with, if I put a video about this. Oh yeah, the one she checked, it was a week later and it had 3 views. And there's no way that was a long form video. There's no way. Short videos to get a lot of views. Things like this kitty who ain't got no eyes at all. Where's your eyes? He's known for his eyes. He's hiding them. Where are those eyes? There they are. Yeah, he's a Bombay with beautiful green eyes. But anyway, so she went back and she had like 3 views, and I go, there's no way. That's impossible. And she said, well, what do you do? And I said, well, I used to would text, I'd write them, or I'd send them an email, or I'd chat with them, but they don't do anything. And I'm now to this point, I'm truly to this point, I don't think they know how to do anything about it. It's not that they don't want to, they don't know how to fix it. I don't know if they were hacked, if YouTube had been hacked or what, but I'm going to show you on my channel right now, as it's happening, how I know I have a glitch. And you're going to understand immediately how I know. You're going to say, oh, now I know. I know immediately. So let's take a look at yesterday and today. Okay, there's a band called Yesterday and Today. Do you like that band? I don't know. Let's go and turn this around. Okay, and here we go. So let's go and look at yesterday. This is towards the evening of yesterday. This is nighttime. Okay, so look at this. Let's just go from when I was at Michael's in the afternoon. Okay, how many views do we have? 400 and something, right? 425, 144. There's a cool looking dog, 748. Here's some little things I found to eat at Aldi, 496. Then, what do you think is about the shooter? What do you think? 733. Why is my finger getting in there? It's weird. Oh, it's the top of my hand on my finger. But how did I get other 733? What do you think? Then there's a police activity in front of my house, 763. Then there was these are just little bonus things. These are little clips that there's a site that takes my long form videos and makes little clips out of them, so they don't really count there. I didn't do anything with those. Okay, then we got earthquake just now. What does it have? 258. Then a couple of rascals, untitled, nothing. I didn't do anything with it. Totally untitled. I didn't do any keywords. I didn't do any description. Nothing. 736. So had I done that, had I done a description on that, that could probably be about 1,000 right now. But here we go today. Okay, this was filmed hours ago, and it's a blimp in the air. Now blimps always get good views. Blimps, biplanes, that kind of stuff. 7 views. Okay, then we have my birthday eve. 3 views. 2 views. 2 views. A whopping 1 view, and then 3 views. Now let me scan down a little bit if I can. I'll show you this. Okay, now here, these videos always do well. Anytime we get here's one with 1 view. But the ones I know always do well are these kind of things. I always get thousands of views off of Grocery Outlet. 2 views. And then Hello Kitty Boba, 1 view. A great deal of steak, 1 view. Then talking about butter from cooking, 1 view. And here's a joke I do. White folks like this. All my Mexican friends through my life love these nectars. And I never knew a single Caucasian person or someone born in this country or someone that doesn't have a grandma that was not born in this country. No one ever likes those. But those are the views I have. So how do I know? There it is. That's how I know. So how will you know? How will you know?